Before production begins, before tools are lifted, your attitude determines the outcome.
Today, we're talking about the most powerful safety tool you carry, your attitude.
Negativity reduces focus. Reduced focus increases risk. A positive attitude sharpens awareness. Awareness prevents accidents.
Good catch. That's how we protect each other. Positivity spreads, and when it spreads, safety improves.
A positive attitude means doing the right thing, even when no one is watching.
Your skills build the project. Your attitude protects the people.
Safety first!